When welding in a virtual environment, the VRTEX 360 monitor offers 3 different views. The welder's view screen shows what is being viewed inside the helmet. This is the first screen that appears once in the environment. The view is 360 degrees. This gives the experience of total immersion. Everything seen inside the helmet can also be viewed on a bigger screen using the VGA port on the back panel. The Instructor-Cam can be accessed using the white Next or Previous arrow icons. This screen shows the coupon being welded in real time. An observer can rotate, pan, and zoom in or out on the coupon. The Live Action Student Evaluation Report, or L.A.S.E.R screen, summarizes the welding performance. The graph uses color-coded lines that represent different actions during the weld. These can be turned on or off by pressing the corresponding icon on the left of the graph. During the welding process, the observer can switch between the different screens. The view on the welder's helmet will not change. With Upgrade 4, the Demo Weld can be accessed on the instructor's view or the helmet view. To access the Demo Weld, press the yellow Theory icon and then press the Select icon. Multiple passes can be done on several of the welds. Use the red arrow icon next to the pass block to highlight the pass number and switch between passes. Remember, if the first pass has not been scored, the second pass is not available. Actions and cues are located in the orange icon menu. The actions and cues consist of actions such as cleaning the slag and quenching the metal. The cues are training aids to help assist the welder during the weld. They give the welder instant feedback to help them understand the proper angles, distances, and speeds. Visual cues include the contact tip to work distance or arc length gauge, the work travel angle gauge, the aim gauge, and the travel speed gauge. There are also cues for whip and for weave. Resetting the welds by pressing the blue icon clears the last weld and saves it. Student reports can only be saved to a USB memory device and later viewed on a personal computer. The USB icon on the top right corner of the screen will be green if there is a USB present. The system is saving information when the USB icon is green and blinking. Changing the coupon or process can be done by pressing the red menu icon and then pressing Change Coupon Type or Change Process. This allows the user to stay logged in while making weld selection changes. Keep in mind, the weld parameters will have to be reset using the WPS for the weld selected. A scored weld can also be saved from this menu by selecting Save to USB. With Upgrade 3, the red menu icon will also access Replay. To exit the weld, press the red menu icon and choose from one of the options: Change Coupon, Change Process, or Log Out. Selecting Log Out and then Yes will exit the user back to the login screen.